roll away the stone. Open up your prison gates and let my people go. You stole a child from heaven and you chained him to your ruse. You bent him in your churches and you broke him in your schools. You filled him with your hatred, and when he learned it well, he was ready for your prison, he was safely in your hell. Open up your prison gates, roll away the stone. Open up your prison gates and let my people go. Your rags and your flags and your colours and your lies, you made those children fight and you made those children die. You marched to their funeral in the sorrow and the rain, then hurried home once more just to start it all again. Open up your prison gates, roll away the stone. Open up your prison gates and let my people go. Like creeping, crawling spiders that rule beneath the stones, you fear the light of justice that will flush you from your throne. I pray the day is coming near when you'll be on the run, like a worm in the morning, like a cobweb in the sun. Open up your prison gates, roll away the stone. Open up your prison gates and let my people go. My people are the children of the orange and the green, black and white and coloured by the politics of greed. You'll find them in the factories and you'll find them on the farms, and standing in the gold queues waiting to be born. Open up your prison gates, roll away the stone. Open up your prison gates and let my people go. Open up your prison gates, roll away the stone. Open up your prison gates and let my people go.